Hello everyone, my name is Miguel Angelo Riveros Clavijo. Today I want to tell about why I am tech savvy. I am learning new things, especially about technology. Technology is important part of my daily life. What does tech savvy mean? For me, being tech savvy means know how to usually uh, in a smart and useful way. It means usually computer, smartphone, and the internet to learn, work, and solve a problem. Why am tech savvy? I think I am tech savvy because I usually technology every day. I use my computer to study and do my homework. I use Microsoft Word to write document. I usually Excel to organize information and make tablets. I usually PowerPoint to create a presentation for my class. Uh, every week I learning something new about technology. Uh, in conclusion, the technology is very important in my life. It help me study. It help me study, learning new things, solve the problem, and improving my skill. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a great day. Goodbye.